have a meteoric rise in New Year? Let's make refreshing prawn apple salad today. Shrimp, in the cultural thoughts of ancient Chinese people, has the meaning of good luck, peace, and long-term wealth. Northerners compare shrimps to dragons, while Southerners compare shrimps to silver. Save this recipe now so you may refer back anytime in the future. Cucumber. Artificial crab sticks. Shrimps. Shrimps remove shell and shrimp intestine. Cubes shrimps. Steamed shrimps until cooked 5 minutes. Cut cucumber into half. Cut the cucumber into sections, remove the middle part, and scoop out the cucumber pulp. Cucumber skin cut into bamboo and bamboo leaves shapes. Cubes artificial crab. Apple peel off skin and cubes. All ingredients into bowl. Add your favorite salad dressing and mix well. Place salad into cucumber. Plate and deco with cucumber leaves. Appetizing shrimp apple salad is done. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Follow my channel, so you may refer to the recipes in the future, anytime you like. YouTube, there are 2,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, ya. Apple means peace, health, and longevity, and symbolizes the arrival of a safe and happy life. The meaning of bamboo is longevity, strength, and peace. Bamboo's meaning of peace comes from the New Year's custom of bamboo explosions for peace. In ancient times, people used to light bamboos with fire to make deafening explosions to drive away bad luck and evil spirits. Therefore, bamboo also has a meaning of peace. There are more delicious CNY recipes in my channel. Do check them all. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, ya.